What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been posting a video after a few days, but I am back with this nice subtle look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just want to get right into the video, and also before we do that, I want you guys please to watch the full video. Don't skip it, and make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, now I'm starting off with prepping and priming my skin. So I just use this flat brush to prep and prime my skin, and I always do the neck as well. Okay, now I'm going in with my MAC concealer in my eyelids, just packing that on, putting that on, and I'm just going to blend it out with my blending brush, concealer blending brush. As you can see, I'm trying to give this eyebrow a nice shape, and I'm just blending it out. So once that's done, you just set it with your translucent powder. Again, don't go very harsh on your eyelids, otherwise the foundation will move. Just very gentle pack it on with the packing motion. Okay, next I'm going in with this brown shade in my crease with a transition shade. As you can see, I'm just building up the coverage. I'm not going with a heavy hand, just very light hand, and I'm just very carefully blending it upwards in my crease and then upwards. So this you go with the back and forth motion and the round motion in your transition when you're applying the transition shade. Now I've taken this smaller rounder brush with the a dark brown color, and I'm just going to apply it just in my corner. As you can see, just like this, I'm going to take my blending brush again and going to start blending that out, that corner, and taking it inwards. Now I've taken the small brush again. Now I'm going into my crease, taking that a dark brown shade into my crease with a small brush, not with a blending brush, with a small brush, so it's very precise. So we're going to do that on both of the eyes. I did my second eye as well, so I'm just making sure that everything is just blended out with my big blending brush. Everything just looks nice and natural and smooth. Not natural as in like it looks very well blended. So here I'm taking this flat brush and I'm applying this glitter. No, it's not glitter, sorry, it's a shimmer. It's a silver shimmer I'm applying. So towards the end I'm just packing it on. First I apply it with a sliding motion in my inner eyes, and when I go towards the outer eyes where the dark shadow is, you just pack the shade on, so it's nice and blended look. And I am just doing my eyeliner. I feel like it's much more easier. I'm finding it much more easier to do my eyeliner with this angled brush rather than the small brushes that you get for eyeliner, the round ones. So here is my eyeliner done. I was just looking to see if they both look okay, and now I'm just putting my concealer under my eyes and I'm just blending that out, both of my eyes, and carefully going underneath the eyeliner to make sure that I don't mess it up. Just take your time with it. And I'm just concealing all the dark circles and the redness. Here I am taking my foundation, which is from L'Oreal True Match, and with the foundation I am not sliding it, I'm packing it on, so dabbing it on my face. That's when you get the full and nice coverage. I don't ever do that, don't ever slide it. So here is a hack. So after you have blended it, take a setting spray on your face and then blend it again. Then your foundation will be very nice and smooth, and it will last longer as well. Here I am just setting my eyes and then my face, on my neck as well. So it's time to do the under eyes now. I'm just again taking that dark brown shade, putting it in my lower lids. As you can see, I'm doing that on both of the sides, and then I'm going to take the transition shade in on this brush, not a fluffy brush, but a little bit more bigger rounder brush, and I'm just going to apply blend that dark brown out. As you can see, I'm doing that just now. And next up I am applying a eyeliner in my eyes, and I'm going on my waterline and tight lining my eyes as well, which is the upper lids basically, upper lash line basically. So I'm just doing the rest of my face. I just wanted to show you how good this highlighter is, very nice and subtle. you can build up the coverage with that one. So you take a little bit, this is the first coat, and then you just build it up, and it's like very nice and subtle kind of look. So with the same highlighter shade, I am going to do my brow bone. So I'm doing that on both of the sides. And moving on to the lips, I've taken this nude shade from Kiko Milano, applying it all over my lips and just filling it in as well, just leaving a very little bit of the lip where I'm gonna apply this lipstick. So as you can see, it's a very nice subtle kind of shade. It's going very well with this look. Here I am, just wanted to show you the mascara that I'm using is Great Lash from Maybelline, and the difference is amazing. So this is the full look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a really nice subtle look you can do to a night out. That was a good video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.